Hello everyone, this is Cody from basecamptrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video here to show you guys a setup I am watching for next week in Microsoft. So Microsoft has been trending up over the last period. We made a double top up here on the weekly chart and we took out the previous support, and we are now pushing lower back to previous support, which is currently at 393.85 with 38.2% retracement. So if we are triggering a weekly bear flag this week, looking to see if we can get a push back down to the 50% retracement at 343.92. I think that would be a good spot for us to rebound from. So we have a potential opportunity to potentially move down there. So keep an eye on that next week. But thank you guys. Take care.